Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to learn English movie step by step. Pick one clear goal for each session and stick to it, like improving listening or learning 50 new words. Select a movie that matches that aim and prepare a short vocabulary list. Watch actively, pause often, and repeat key lines aloud. Keep sessions short, consistent, and focused so you build confidence and real skill over time. Start by watching a movie scene without subtitles to test your ear, then watch again with subtitles in English. Pause and repeat lines, allowed to copy pronunciation and rhythm, and shadow the actors for fluency. Write down useful expressions and practice them in short sentences. Use short clips for focused drills and build up to longer scenes as confidence grows, practicing daily for steady improvement. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like so I can make more helpful lessons. Quick recommendation. These leak-proof containers are great for packing snacks and lunches when you study long movie sessions, keeping food fresh and mess-free, which saves time for practice. Check the description for the link and other deals. It really helps out. Now let's get back to the video. Transcribe a short scene to sharpen your ear and spelling, then check against subtitles. Do shadowing drills with 30 to 90-second clips to mimic pronunciation and speed. Role-play scenes with a friend or record yourself and compare with the original for improvement. Vary movies and accents to widen your exposure and review troublesome phrases until they feel natural in conversation and memory.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.